Hey, what's up, y'all? I got a nice tutorial coming for you guys. This one's gonna be easy, this one's gonna be fast, and this is gonna be useful. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, I hope you learned something today. And by the end of it, if you wanna learn more, hit the subscribe, hit the notification, and let's get right to it. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna teach you guys how to outline your image without using Photoshop. I know last time I showed you how to do it with Photoshop. Now I'm going to show you how to do it without Photoshop. So what you're going to do is we're going to go to Canva. Okay, Canva is a web-based program, so you don't have to download anything, and it is free. There is a paid version of it where you can have more items and more features with it. Today we're just going to use the free version because the free version can actually get a lot done for you. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Canva, I'll leave the link in the description. Canva.com. We're on the site now. So it says start my free trial. I'm going to start my free trial. It's saying this stuff right here. Just X this out, okay? On the left here, create your design. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna upload. Let's go to create a design. Over here, it's gonna say upload. Let's upload our image. Upload files. Here we go. Let me find something that will have a good outline too. Okay, so I have this image right here for our workout clothing company. Roy's Boys, please get your Roy's Boys merch. Go to theprintclinic.com. Yeah, all right. We're gonna go to using design. You can do a custom, whatever you want to do. I'm just gonna go to logo because it is a logo. So here we go, on the white background as well. So what we're gonna do over here, when you go to, all right, so what you do is right at the top, you go to edit. On the left, you're gonna see image, and then you slow down to effects, shadows. There you go. Now you want to go to glow. So when you go to glow, as you can see on my image, it gives this little shadowy background, right? So from there, you can just size it as much as you want it to be. You can go to blur amount. So maybe you don't want to blur. I don't really want to blur. And there you go. The blur is actually dope though. I'm not gonna lie, the blur is pretty dope, but there you go. See? Now you easily have your outline. Go to color, change it to whatever you want. Okay, there you go. If you mess around, you can see there's some other ones like drop where the kind of goes down. Then there's an outline. See that? That's a strong outline. But glow I find is really good, especially for prints. But there you go. You have outline, drop, glow, size, all this stuff. And you basically just play around with these. You can raise the intensity like that. Oh, that intensity is fire. So after you do that, right, you go to share. This is how you download your image. You go to share, you go to download. It is a PNG, and this is suggested, but sometimes PNG is not free. Before, when I was using this months back, it was not free. You'd have to get it on a paid version. Let's find out if you can do it for free. Download, and there you go. It's downloaded our image. Let's check it out. And here you go. Your image is done simply like that. You got an outline on your image for free without using Photoshop, without downloading any programs. All right, guys, that's about it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit the like, and if you want to learn more on the channel, hit the subscription button, put on the notification bells, and I'll see you guys next time in the next Teaching Beats pod class. Until then, keep learning, keep teaching, and I'll see ya. Just crash out, you should not run up on this, we might just flash out. This flow is a cash cow, this flow is a cash cow. My girl is a superstar, so come it'll crash out.